Okay, I'm going to walk you through a quick way to set up your essay in MLA format. All right, if you want the easiest way to do it, in Google Docs, there are several templates that you can go to. Typically, these will pop up when you open your Google Doc. If not, I'll show you another way to do it. You'll scroll down to essays, and they have APA format, but for English, we're going to actually use MLA format. Okay, so you're going to open this guy up, and everything is here for you. All right, all you have to do is type in your name, your professor name or teacher's name, your subject name. Your teacher might have a preference of what to put here, so just make sure you ask. And then this is the proper way to write the date, with the day number, the month, and then the year. So you're always going to write out the due date of the essay. So if you're working on it prior, just make sure this date has the due date. Then you're going to title your essay something creative. Okay, so if you're doing literary analysis, you might write something like An Angry Man, Tybalt. Okay, so you're writing about Romeo and Juliet, maybe a characterization essay. Then you can immediately go into your essay. It's already in Times New Roman, 12-point font, as you see, Times New Roman, 12-point font, which is exactly what we want. One thing you need to make sure of, you want to double click up here, and you want to have your last name, space, make sure it's in Times New Roman, which it is, then double click out. So you have your header up here, your heading, your title, and then your essay can start here. Now, when you do your header correctly, you'll see that as you scroll down, your name continues last name and page number. Okay? So using the template is the easiest way to create your MLA format. Now, let's say you're on a Google Doc and you're not sure how to find the template. Okay? You can go open up a new Google Doc. You'll click on this blue letter guy here. That'll take you to the template gallery where you can find that template for MLA. Now, if you want to do it from scratch, we can do that too. We'll start with the header. Insert, page number. You want the upper right-hand corner, and this indicates it's going to repeat on each subsequent page like you saw previously on the template. Go on the left-hand side of that. Type in your last name and space. Make sure that you have Times New Roman and 12. This typically defaults to Arial font. Double click out. Now we're going to do our heading. Name, teacher name, class, and date. Okay? Now, this is going to default to not being double spaced. You want to make sure that you are double spaced. So we're going to highlight it, go to Format, Line and Paragraph Spacing. Make sure we're on double. Okay? So yours is probably going to look like this. Highlight, Line and Paragraph Spacing, double. Hit Enter. Then we're going to center it, and we're going to write our title. Back to left align, tab over, and we start writing our essay in MLA format. Okay? So you want to make sure you have your header up here, heading over here, title, make sure everything is in Times New Roman, 12-point font, and double spaced. And there you have your MLA format for your essay. Don't forget, at the very end, you want to make sure on its own page that you have your works cited list. This will be your list of source citations that you have in MLA format, all of the sources you used in your essay.